Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a little union padlock that was sent to me by Rick Wales. It was quite a while ago that he sent it to me, it was September last year. But it's a nice and interesting lock, so I want to show it to you. It's a union made in England, a little padlock with a guarded shackle. Comes with a very nice key. You can read Union, England and Parks. Don't know what that means, but I really like this key. The way it looks looks old to me, but I'm not really sure how old this look actually is. Looks heavily used, and when you operate it, you can see it has even a broken shackle. So here it's broken off. When we look inside, we can see the remaining part of the shackle. Let's see, here it is, just moved in again. You can see here it's the remaining part of the shackle that broke off. Yeah, I think it has seen a lot in its life, this little union padlock. Yeah, and interestingly it opens both directions. You can see, turns in both directions. And you do not see this too often on locks. I only know the WB that has this, call it feature. I don't know why they have it. If they do it on purpose for usability, that it's convenient to open it both ways, I really don't know. Well, anyhow, it's a 4-pin lock. And here's a key code. Maybe it's a key code, LBL643, and the same you find here on the back of the lock. I want to pick it, this 4-pin lock, and it was quite a challenge for me to pick it open the first time. And I want to pick it both ways, left and right, or clockwise and counterclockwise. And hopefully I get it open. So let me clamp it in a vise so that we can have a better view to it and hope for the best. So here is this little baby clamped in a vise. Works and is locked up. I first pick it counterclockwise, and you can see this little groove here, and when I pick it this way round, so counterclockwise, I use the wiper insert type tension wrench because it grabs nicely here in this groove. I can apply a lot of pressure to the plug, and in fact I will use heavy tension. There are only standard pins in this lock. I hope I can get it open in a appropriate time. So I'm on 2, which is binding. I think I got 2. Maybe now. I'm on 3, got it. 4, I don't know. Check 1. I think I got a click from 1. Yeah, but something is missing. Check 2. Maybe I've overset something. It's a shame that a 4-pin lock makes so much trouble. Only standard pins. Okay, reset. Yeah, 1 is springy, 2 is the first binder. Was 3, a little bit from 4. I'm on 1 now. And it's open. Wow! So it's locked up again. I used the Peterson pry bar, and this one works nicely for clockwise. So apply heavy tension again. 1 is springy. 2 is not binding much. Okay, 3 is binding. Gotta click. 4, nothing. I think 2 is binding now. Gotta click. 1 is still springy, or I have to take care that the tension wrench is not sticked in all the way, otherwise it binds on 1. Okay, so again, 4 is binding. 4, 3, 2, 1, gotta click. It was 3. Come on. Reset. Okay, 4. Now I'm on 1. 1, okay. 2. Okay, and 3. Come on, 3, you are the last. Come on. 1 came back. And it's open. Whew. I'm so glad that this little Union 4-pin lock is done. Only standard pins, but put up a great fight. So, Rick, thank you very much for this great little lock. It was really fun for me to finally got it picked on camera. Cool lock. Yeah, Rick, thanks for the lock, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching, and happy picking. Bye bye.